Howdy. Thanks for coming back. And check out what we got today. The Googan's reaction box. We got, what is it here? We got 6 crankbaits in a box. Unopened. And let's open it up, you know. It's the reaction box bass kit. Slice my fingers off while I do stuff, but I do it all for you guys. A box inside a box with a big sticker on the box inside of a box. Oh, I was right. It is the Catch Co logo. That one sticker. Okay, we got here the reaction booklet. Tells you we got, in this box we got a clutch, a recon, a banger, a flat banger, a grande banger, and a grande recon. So here's a book that tells you what you should be doing with these lures. Holy smokes, here's the grande recon. He is huge. Yes, so look at this. Here's the grande recon. Here we got the banger. It looks like some crawfish color for the spring. And this box has got 6 baits in it. That's cool. And this will be the flat banger. Trying to show you guys these lures. I got terrible lighting in here. It's not bad for me and you, but to show off baits, yeah, it's pretty bad. But forward we go, and this would have to be the grande banger. Purdy. These are all Googan baits, by the way. And here's the last one. And this would have to be the clutch. Look at that. Look at that, look at that, look at that. That is a pretty one. Now I got 3 of these ones now in this same color, because this color you can't be beat. Okay, that's the 6 baits. And there's no sticker. Come on, Googans, I want a sticker in my box. But anyhow, they fit 6 crankbaits in this box. These will be fished on my 7.2 medium Googan's rod, my reaction rod, reaction box for my reaction rod. Aha, see what they did there? But anyways, we put these baits, I'm putting these baits back, because I got one more box to show you all. And I'm pretty excited about the next box, so I'm gonna hurry up and move on to that one. But remember that name, because they make good baits and good rods. Now we're off to the next video, so follow me.